We really value marriage to our first cousins. How it could be possible, sir, that you create better societies than Christians where everywhere Christians go, inbreeding goes down, making sure that the IQ at least sits somewhere around can function. In other words, everywhere Islam goes, the IQ goes like this because they all their cousins, not joking.
Let me ask the audience a question.
Are
there electric cars being developed in Latin America? New AI technologies being developed in Brazil and Argentina? Are they being developed in sub-Saharan Africa, these Christian countries? Because they don't have cousin marriage, do they, Andrew? So why aren't they developing all of these technologies? These amazing technologies, AI, nuclear weapons, fighter jets. I didn't see Brazil or Honduras producing any fighter jets, Andrew. Is it because they don't have cousin marriage?
Bruh.
Why? They should be having this brain-blasting IQ. If Christianity is the secret sauce, Andrew, then tell me why these countries don't have those technologies. I'll give you a spoiler alert, because it's not Christianity. It's not Christianity and cousin marriage that causes this discrepancy. And if you're so high IQ in the United States, how are you not able to figure out birth rate, fertility rate? Why are these countries going extinct? Why is Europe going extinct despite the high IQ? They can't even figure out how to reproduce at replacement levels.
Yeah, boy.
Gee, I guess IQ leads to extinction because it's correlated, right? The higher IQ you have, the lower the fertility rate. So it seems like the more Christianity you have, the more chances you have of going extinct, Andrew. Explain that for us.